Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install UFC 5 for your laptop. So as you can see, when you access EA Sport official website and you're going to buy this game, you will see only two options, one for PlayStation and one for Xbox. So unfortunately it's not available for now for laptop. So that's why there is another website called Xbox Cloud Gaming. When you click on this website, you need to sign in first and create account. Then you need to check if your region is supported by this website or not. If it is supported, then you can play the games of Xbox on your laptop. So after you do that and you check your region is supported or not, so you can buy the game. Of course, there is some extra fees, but you can play it on your laptop via this website. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.